Your PF money is yours, but accessing it has never been easy. For years, withdrawals have meant claims, paperwork, approvals, and long waiting periods. Now that could change. EPFO 3.0 promises to make PF withdrawals as simple as a digital transaction, and it could transform how more than 7 crore EPF subscribers access their retirement savings. But before you get excited, here is one important detail. The system is not live yet. Union Labour Minister Mansukh Mandavia has said testing is complete, but the government is yet to announce an official launch date. So what exactly is changing? EPFO 3.0 is a major technology upgrade aimed at making Provident Fund services faster, simpler, and largely paperless. Today, PF withdrawals can take days or even weeks. Under the new system, eligible withdrawals could eventually be processed digitally through UPI-linked platforms and ATMs. The idea is simple: faster access to your own money. According to details shared by the government, subscribers will be able to view the amount eligible for withdrawal and transfer it directly to Aadhaar-linked bank accounts. For unemployed members, up to 75% of the PF balance can be withdrawn immediately. The remaining 25% can be accessed after 12 months if the person remains unemployed. Now, when can you withdraw the full amount? Full withdrawal is allowed at the age of 55. It is also permitted in specific situations such as permanent disability, retrenchment, or voluntary retirement. EPFO has also increased the auto-settlement limit from 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. That means many claims could be processed automatically and much faster than before. The withdrawal system is also being simplified. Earlier, members had to navigate 13 different withdrawal categories. Now, these have been consolidated into 3 broad groups: essential needs, housing, and special circumstances. The minimum service requirement for certain withdrawals has also been reduced from several years to just 12 months. So what should you do now? Even though EPFO 3.0 has not gone live yet, subscribers can prepare. Make sure your UAN is active, check that your Aadhaar, PAN, and bank account details are linked correctly, and complete all KYC requirements. For decades, accessing PF savings has been a slow and paperwork-heavy process. EPFO 3.0 aims to change that. If the rollout goes as planned, withdrawing PF could soon become almost as simple as making a UPI transaction. Follow Business Standard for more stories.